Good day to you wherever you're watching this video. In today's guide, I will be showing you how you can perform SEO for visibility on your YouTube video. And I'm going to be using three major websites from my list here. The first website is ahrefs.com/YouTube keywords. And this is how we're going to go about it. You're going to type your keyword, like for example, I want to perform SEO on this particular YouTube video. So converting text to audio. I just copy this text to audio. This is my keyword. I'll just click on the search. All right, I'll just type the search text to keyword, and here you have based on different country. Just click on find keyword. Click on find keyword. Confirm the class here, and you can see some of the phrases that we have here. Convert text to audio, from text to audio, sync, and so on and so forth. These are some of the keywords you can use for your SEO. Now, beyond that, I will still go and check some other websites. I have thought tools. I have keyword dominator tools as well here. You can see search keywords here. Then you can type your keyword, text to audio, and click on search. All right, the system will search and give you the list of top the keywords. We have 417 search, and you can see the scores for each of the keywords here. You can see 82% is among the top 10, 95% text to audio. So, and if you are in, you can just copy all the content. You can download all the search keywords, and you can select. You can download, or let me download all the search keywords. This is one of the methods. It will be downloaded as a spreadsheet. And the last one, the last method by which you can convert text to audio is using the Tornet Pocket YouTube tag generator. So I'm going to refresh this. I'm going to paste it here. Under this video, I will share the three websites where you can generate keywords and tags for your video, for your visibility. All right, just confirm the traffic light we have here. We just have 3 traffic lights, and verify. All right, so now you can now go over to your YouTube video that you want to rank it online, which is converting your text to audio. All right, I will just paste the keyword here, generate. Now from all the 3 websites here, I have this best text to speech for YouTube videos, how to convert text to audio. You can copy this to the clipboard and go to your YouTube video. Go to your YouTube videos. You have your YouTube video here. Then we have tag here. Just paste it on the tag, and you can see from the tag here we have 494. If I'm okay with this, I can go on and use this. And if I still want to have more, but remember that you have only 500. You are only allowed to use 500 words. So I can open this and see some of the things I've got here. These are some of the keywords that I have. Text to audio. I have the keyword here. You can see text to audio converter, text to audio AI, text to audio converter app. So once you can also come here and add some keywords here. Under here, you can just hashtag text to audio. Text to audio, hashtag text to speech, text to audio AI. Alright, there's no keyword for that. And you can also tag AI. And see we have about 1.5 million use for that particular content. Alright, so once that is done, you can go on and save changes to your video, and whenever any of those keywords is searched by anybody visiting YouTube, your video content will be part of the listed video. So if this video has helped you, under this section, under this video, you have the links to all the URL where I've done all the keyword research. So if this video has helped you, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to receive updates whenever I drop video on this channel.